Namaste. In the first part, we explored the position of the Sun in the celestial sphere throughout the year. We calculated the values of altitude and azimuth for different locations on Earth. Now let us try to find answers to some common questions with the help of this setup. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky. For the place on the equator, where will the star Sirius rise on the vernal equinox day? To find answer to this question, we'll use this green bead to mark its position on the celestial sphere. Right ascension for this star is 6 hours and 46 minutes, while its declination is minus 16 degrees and 45 minutes. We will position the Sun on the ecliptic as of vernal equinox, that is 21st of March. We will place the celestial sphere horizontally like this for the equator. Left window on the screen is the top view of the setup, while the right one is the front view. Let us rotate the celestial sphere till the Sun is at the horizon. It's morning, around 6 am local time. Star Sirius is still below the horizon. We will rotate the celestial sphere slowly to simulate the passing of time. It's almost 12 o'clock, that is local noon, and Sirius is still below the horizon. After around 45 minutes, it will rise in the east. Azimuth value for the star at rise is 106 degrees. But Sun is already up in the sky. We cannot see the star. Only when the Sun sets, we will be able to see the star. Somewhere up in the sky at an altitude of 70 degrees. The star sets around 1:20 am next day at the azimuth location of 253 degrees. Let us look at it from the other angle. Actually, the azimuth value of the stars for any given location remains fixed. Only thing which changes is the time of rise and set. These are the rise and set values for the star Sirius at the equator. These values barely change and are constant throughout the year. After 1 month, that is 22nd of April, when the Sirius star will rise. As stars rise 4 minutes earlier every day, it will rise 2 hours earlier on 22nd of April as compared to the time on the vernal equinox day. When the star Sirius will be visible throughout the night, that will happen when Sirius star rises in the east when sun sets in the west. Sirius will be visible throughout the night. This happens around 5th of January. When will it rise just before the sunrise? At this location, the star will rise just before sunrise. This is also known as heliacal rising. Now let us find out if the rising time as well as position of the star changes if we change the latitude. With Sun at the vernal equinox position, we will change the location on Earth. As you can see, as the latitude increases towards the north, rising time as well as position of azimuth changes for the star. At latitudes more than 75 degrees, the star never rises as well as set. This is true for all days of the year. Can you predict or find out where the star will be on any given time on the first of every month? Give it a try. Second brightest star in the southern part of the celestial sphere is Canopus. Right ascension for this star is 6 hours and 24 minutes, while declination is minus 52 degrees. It will rise 20 minutes before the star Sirius on equinox days. The star Canopus will not rise for latitudes beyond 38° north. Now let us take another star, Arcturus, which is in the northern part of the celestial sphere. Its right ascension is 14 hours 15 minutes and declination plus 19 degrees. Vega is another bright star in the northern part of the celestial sphere. Right ascension for this star is 18 hours and 36 minutes and its declination is 38 degrees and 47 minutes. For these stars at latitude 45 north and beyond, they will never set and rise. These stars will always be present in the sky and can be visible at night, just like a pole star. These stars are called as circumpolar stars. Just like stars, indicative position of the planets can also be found out with the help of this setup. Instead of a plastic ball, we can use balloon as well, with markings on it to map 27 nakshatra we know about. We'll discuss about it in the next video. Thank you.